I wasn't yours. I'm going back, I'm going back, I'm going back, I'm going back, I'm going back to who I was before. I like me better, I like me better.
Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today we are testing the new Makeup by Mario products. If you guys want to know more, let's go. Y'all, so I already did my foundation, right? And then I just realized as I turned the camera on that I probably should have used the Mario foundation as well in today's video. But on the bright side, like looking for the bright side in this, I guess that just means we'll get to see if these products play well with other brand products. Because, you know, sometimes brand products really only mix well with like other products from the brand, or if it's like a collection, like, you know, Natural Radiant or something like that, like it only works well with that collection. So that's the little bright side for today. But I feel like that just gives me the opening to do a video of like a full face of makeup. Because can I do a full face? You got a setting spray, you got powder, you got concealer. I probably could. I don't remember those bronzers. That's not the point. Okay, so first product we're talking about is the new Surreal Skin Talc-Free Soft Blur Setting Powder. This retails for $38 for 0.53 ounces. Comes in 7 shades. I picked it up in the shade For Warm Honey. And it is a talc-free Pro Performance loose powder that sets makeup to last 12 hours, blurs and smooths the complexion with a natural finish and all-day shine control. Coverage is light, finish is natural, formulation loose powder. Mario curated this weightless powder with enhancing and brightening tones to build in soft layers for his signature soft set look. The powder controls shine without making skin look or feel dry for a blurred natural finish. It is non-comedogenic and non-cakey without photo flashback. Okay, so open this up. This is what it looks like. I'm excited. That color, that's the color. When I want like warm honey, I want something like this. That like warm beigey color, not straight up yellow. All right, now they said 12 hours of shine control. But my, ooh, okay. Oh, it's very finely milled. Okay. Very light taps. I feel like it doesn't look, I don't know, I guess I was expecting it to look beigey on the face, but and this is the second new product. It is the Surreal Skin 16-Hour Soft Setting Spray. Retails for $34 for, I have been hearing ringing in my ear. Okay, I just got sidetracked. And the second new product is the new Surreal Skin 16-Hour Soft Setting Spray. This retails for $34 for 100 milliliters. It is a alcohol-free, fragrance-free, and butane-free ultrafine hydrating mist to set makeup for up to 16 hours for a natural finish. And barely there feel, finish is natural, formulation liquid. This ultrafine mist evenly coats makeup without disrupting it with clinically proven all-day hydration. The formula layers beautifully while softly setting makeup to create a naturally lived-in finish. Surreal Skin Soft Setting Spray makes makeup look flawless and is alcohol-free and fragrance-free. Mouthful. Okay, so go ahead, take this powder off. Oh, I didn't read if you were supposed to shake it or not. Are you supposed to shake it? I'm shaking it. Let's see, how do you? Okay. I got a little hint of like coconut in there, but other than that, no real smell to it. Oh, that missed it out real nice. Up close. Oh, okay, wait a minute. Now, of course, it gotta dry down, but wait a minute. Okay, Mario. Ooh. And y'all know, while face is still semi-wet, gotta let that side dry down just a little bit more. Take a pressed powder and just go over where I put concealer and where I baked. Okay, Mario, so this is gonna be my face for the day. It is 1:33, so I'm gonna go check in midday and then check in later on tonight so we can see how this held up, because you talking about 12 hours, 16 hours, so let's go. Okay, Ooh. Okay, let's do a little check-in. It is 4:50. This is what my face looks like. No, y'all don't understand. I don't know what Mario put in this. It's cracked. But baby, I'll take 14 of them right now. The way my face is sitting throughout the day, the way my skin feels, when he said hydration, he wasn't playing, okay? Mind you, I already started my dinner because listen, dinner has to be eaten by like 5 p.m. around here because I need to be in the bed, rub my feet together by like 9 p.m. So like, you know, hot air, whatnot in my face. Mario. Now I actually kind of wonder like, what would it be like with the, oh, I'm wearing the NARS Natural Radiant. So baby, really the only thing I'm working with here is the Danesse primer and this powder and setting spray to keep my face together throughout the day. But it's doing a good job of that because he is who he is for a reason. His rate, mind you, that was his rate like years ago. So I'm sure the price done gone up, but like his rate years ago was like $2,500 an hour. I understand why. All right, y'all, it is 12:03 and this is what my face looks like. Close up. Y'all, when I tell you I have not been like immediately impressed by a product like this in a good minute. I'm talking like, yeah, of course I've tried things in the last months, years. I'm trying to think like off the top of my head. The last time I tried something, I'm like, oh, absolutely, positively, immediately, I know you are going to be in my everyday routine when it comes to makeup because I don't know what Mario put in this. But baby, what time did I leave today? I went like, what, 1 in the afternoon, something like that? Don't ask why I'm still awake at 12 a.m. But when I tell you I went to the gym with this makeup on and this is what my face looks like at 12 a.m. Now, yes, I am starting to get shiny in this area over here. But I told y'all when I did the little check-in, baby, the only things I am working with when it comes to controlling my oil is the powder, Danesse, and the setting spray. So Mario doing a majority of the work on my face right now. And now I really, really wish I had tried it with the damn foundation because y'all know the foundation looks gorgeous on the skin. So let me know if you want like a full face of Makeup by Mario. But yeah, absolutely positively. Where are my blotting papers? Let me see what it would look like if I blotted. And of course, my battery wanna die. Like even my eyebrows, which are another place where I get really oily, but that is one side blotted and then my camera died. So that's a sign to go ahead and wrap this up. But yeah, really impressed with these, how it held my face together throughout the day, how it feels on my face. And it's a weird way of describing how it feels because it's like, y'all know I do not like feeling makeup on my face, you know, especially when it's heavy, usually it's cakey, stuff like that. Like you can feel it on your face. It's not that I feel it on my face, but you know how like they emphasize hydration, hydration, hydration? Like you can feel it. You can feel like your face is breathing. Like you splash some water on your face type feel on the face. Powder. I feel like it's, of course, that area right there that's creasing, but under eye area still looks good. He did that. He did that with these products. Like I said, I haven't felt this way about new products that I tried. You know, like, of course, if I ever talk about anything and you like it, get it at your own time. You don't have to run out and get it. You also don't have to get anything that I talk about ever. You're allowed to not like anything that I make a video on as well. But I feel like rarely do I ever talk about a product where I'm like, baby, you're kind of missing out if you don't get this. This might be one of them. I'm just saying. But also like if you try it and you don't like it. But no, that is it for this video. Those are my thoughts on these. I actually really like it. And I just know like it's going to become like a permanent part of my routine. I actually want to do like a updated, I feel like I have to keep doing updated like everyday routines because I am always trying new things. So I feel like I did one maybe like not long before I moved, and I feel like it's kind of time to do. I keep looking at that, I'm like, what is that? That is my dryer. I feel like it's been a minute since I've done one, so I might have to do an updated one, new products, and just some things in my mind. I'm like, I kind of want to go back to trying that, seeing how that goes. So that is it for this video. Those are my thoughts if you were trying to see me test this out. Make sure to thumbs up, comment, subscribe, turn notification bells down below. Thank you all for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.
Yeah.